Welcome to Richwood Writing Training Course, Speaking and Writing, developed in October 2025 by Shirley Chen. Read the sentence in blue 3 times. You may read after me. Or making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline. Or making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline. Or making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline. Now find the word which means so strange or extreme that it does not seem to be true or reasonable. Fantastical. The word that means too strange, too extreme, that it does not seem true or reasonable is fantastical. Now you have 5 seconds to check your answer. Find 2 synonyms in the sentence that we just read. Appearance and display. They're synonyms. Appearance and display. Now answer the question. If you make a fantastical appearance, does it mean you show just the right amount of it or too much of it? If you make a fantastical appearance, it means you show too much of it. Does making a fantastical appearance of generosity mean making it seem generous or too generous? Making a fantastical appearance of generosity means making it seem too generous. If you show too much of generosity, what danger is there? If you show too much of generosity, you risk running into the vanity of the sophists. Why will people run into the vanity of the sophists by showing too much generosity? Because showing too much generosity risks lying about the true or reasonable amount of generosity, which is vanity. If people make a fantastical display of discipline, do they risk running into the vanity of the sophists? Yes, they do. If people make a fantastical display of discipline, they risk running into the vanity of the sophists. What is the purpose of making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline? The purpose of making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline is to show off. By displaying discipline, do people show off the amount of control they have over themselves and others? Yes, by displaying discipline, by displaying too much of it, people show off the amount of control they have over themselves and others. What kind of people like to show off? People of vanity like to show off. What are the two ways of running into the vanity of the sophists? One way is by writing speculative treatises, haranguing upon moral subjects. Another way is by making a fantastical appearance or display of generosity or discipline. Okay, this is the end of 7.5. You may continue with lesson 7.6.